Do you know what is happening on your factory floor at all times? Sit back, imagine you had a full view of your entire production line without leaving your office. With a digital twin of your entire factory, you can gain complete visibility of the production process, factory resources, and available materials. A digital replica of your factory is created by collecting data from sensors, machines, cameras, and other sources. The data is then processed by AI algorithms to build the digital representation of the factory. As the data is collected, the digital twin is constantly updated. Since I started using Plataine's digital twin solution, I have full visibility of all my factory stations and assets in real time. This enables me to respond to problems and delays as they happen, before they snowball into bigger problems. For example, with Plataine, I can identify a delayed work order and then allocate resources to ensure on-time delivery. Or for instance, when I receive an alert that a machine is down, I can reschedule its job to another machine. The digital twin enables me to automatically optimize processes, reduce downtime, and more importantly, increase throughput. This means I'm always on top of my work order status, inventory, and delivery deadlines. The software also sends alerts and actionable insights for events that require my attention. Since I can use the solution on any device, such as my computer, tablet, or smartphone, I'm always in control. Contact our experts to learn more about how you can ramp up production at your factory.